Okay. See, the first word is fa'ala. Okay. This is the formula. Okay. The first word is fa'ala. You drive the second word with this. Fa, a, la, but you just add one alif here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the basic formula and you drive all 14 from this. So these 14 you should remember on tips. Like if you see the third one, fa, ain, lam is the root word, right? Fa, ain, lam. But you add one wow here. Fa, a, now the third one become lu. Okay, so basically it's driving from here. It's coming from this base word. Okay, this is your base word and you are driving like you are extracting. That is called this is called masdar fa'alun. Okay, and you are driving every you are just making the other word from the same word. Okay, so fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, and then fa, ain, lam, again same, and then you are adding a ta here, fa'alat with sakin, fa'alat. Okay, so you should remember all 14 on your tips, and this will go here. Okay, this will go here. Then third one will go here. Then fourth one will go here. Then fifth one will go here. So basically, if I remove this all, okay, basically the first siga will come here, second will come here, third will come here, then fourth will come here, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Oh,
9,
okay.
10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now clear?
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Okay, look, if you will count all those siga on your finger, it will automatically give you this sense. The first finger is talking about ghayab, okay, and the first one is talking about male, and second one is talking about female. But it all talking about ghayab, okay. This one is talking about the first siga, like fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu. So one is wahid, second is tasniya, third one is jama. It's basically you will just fit all the 14 words over here and the entire story will be in front of you. Okay.
Okay.
From 7 to 12, the first one is hazir and the second finger is also hazir. Means the first two finger are hazir and this one is male and this one is female. Okay,
Okay, so first
then
finger is always male, second finger is
yeah, the
female.
first two are basically ghaib, second two are basically hazir, and this one is basically mutakallim. Okay, now
Okay.
13 is the first one is wahid. You explain this to me, right? First one is wahid, and whatever the 14 word that is tasniya and jama.
Okay.
Now, is it clear? If you will do it with the hand and you fit all the 14 letters, 14 words here, it will be very, very easy. If ever you forget, it will give you the sense. Oh, this was ghaib. Like if you get confused, what was this hazir or ghaib? So it will give you a quick sense. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So inshallah, now go scroll down and see if anything which needs explanation.
This is basically the last one of how you separate everything.
Basically whatever is on this diagram, this is same. Okay, the first, go a little up, look, no, just
Oh,
yeah, okay. So this is first two fingers. Okay, this one is your first two finger, this one is your third and
sec.
fourth finger.
Okay.
Okay, and this one is your thumb. Okay, so look, this one, because this one is your first six finger, it's giving a sense that these two are absent, and it giving the sense that first finger is male and second finger is female. And if you go in more detail, then first finger is 1%, 2%, and 3. Go and check. Now go and
Here?
check. Yeah, go and check
Okay.
what I explained. If you do it with your finger, it will give more sense.
Yeah, so hold on. So if so like the first three over here, then over here, then over here.
Yeah, same thing.
Two. So these last two are always the mutakallim, right?
Always mutakallim. So it will help you to remember mutakallim are only two categories, not three.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Now go down.
This is just the last one. I forget what this one was about.
Okay. So let me explain this one again. Okay. So inshallah, you stop sharing your screen first.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, I told you that we are all done with Mazi. Okay. So basically, tenses like, okay, kalima. We say kalima in like read the kalima, the first kalima, second kalima. What kalima means? Kalima means a sentence. Okay. Basically, kalima means sentence. Okay. Now, kalima is divided into three categories. Okay. One is called isim. Isim is called noun. Okay. We are not learning about noun this time. Okay. In one sentence, always there will be noun, there will be verb. Okay. That is fail. Okay. And third one is hurf. Hurf. How we learn alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, qa, that is called hurf. Okay. Hurf. In Arabic, it's called hurf. Hurf is basically is sorry, like at, on, which do not make any kind of sense in the like itself. If they come alone, they don't make any sense, but when they come in sentence, then they make sense, like from. Okay. And
Yeah.
to, these words are called in Arabic huruf. Okay. So basically, all the sentences are the combination of these three things. Okay. And basically serve, like let's suppose fa, a, la is one word. Let's suppose fa'ala is one word. Okay. So the starting of every word will be always same in Quran. Okay. So
Okay.
the starting of every single word is same in Quran. That they talk in a different book. That book is called Nahf. Noon Ha Wow. Okay. That is a separate book which we will learn later on, which will talk about how, how to join the sentences, and talking about the first two word. But the last word, if you will notice in Quran, the last word always changes the sign. Sometime it comes with double fatha, sometimes comes with double kasra, sometimes with single fatha, single kasra. Like sometime you will see in Quran Muhammadan, or in kalima or any other every, if you notice, sometime it comes with Muhammadin, and sometimes it comes with Muhammadun. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Okay, and sometimes you will see double kasra, sometimes you will see double fatha. So basically, in the book you are doing is called Sarf, Ilmus Sarf. Okay, Il means knowledge. Okay, this book name is, which you are doing this time, Il Musarf. If you someone ask you what book you are doing, okay, so you must know the name. The book name is Il Musarf, Surf, Surf. In Surf, in book of Surf, basically what you are learning, the changes in the last letter. That's it. Okay. Remember, we are talking about fa'ala, fa'ala, then fa'ala, and then suddenly it changes into fa'ala. In second sentence, it changes into fa'ala. Does they change the fatha dhamma kasra on fa? Do they change the fatha dhamma kasra on fa?
Was I can't hear you. Wait, say that again?
Fa, like, do you think they are changing anything on fa? Any sign is changing on fa in the second step.
No.
Do you think like they are changing anything on ain?
No, it's only lamb.
No, it's only the end part. It's only the end part, okay? So this end part you are basically learning in this book, which is called Sar, okay? So you have to focus all the time what is happening in the end part, okay? Like fa'alat, fa'alata, if you will notice, then you will see that last part is changing. The first two, three, whatever, the starting part is not changed. Starting part will be as it is, okay? The changes will be only in the last part, okay? So this last part changes we learned in the book of Sir, and the first part, the detail about the first part we will learn in the book of Nahab, okay? And Nahab also tell us like there are two different books, okay? Two different books. One book name is Surf, Surf, Ilmu Surf, okay? And the second book is Nahab. So Nahab basically tell us about how to make a sentence, how to join noun with verb and verb with the hurf, okay, the preposition or whatever. So how you connect all these things, because there is a composition. You have to, if you are writing a sentence, like if you are writing a sentence, he is writing, okay? What is basically he is
He is writing.
pronoun, right?
Yeah, it's a
He
pronoun.
is pronoun, okay? This writing is verb, right?
Yeah.
Writing is verb, okay? So can you write like this? Is writing he sentence will be correct or incorrect?
No.
It's incorrect, right? So
Yeah, because it
basically,
wouldn't
the
make
book
sense.
of Nahav teaches us how to order the sentence, how to connect the noun. Isim means noun with verb, and like with verb and with verb, okay? So you are basically in this book, you are not learning Nahab, okay? You are not learning how to connect. This is an other book. Inshallah, when you will finish this book, then if Allah will give us tawfiq, inshallah, we will start that book as well. In that book, you will learn about how to connect the sentences. What are the changes in the start of the sentences, okay? But this time, as I said, the sentence is basically divided into three categories: isim, fail, and harf, okay? And we are not learning this. We are not learning this. What we are learning basically only and only fail, okay? Tenses, fail. So in fail, there are two kind of sentences. You have done one. What is that? Fail, fail, mazi, okay? Past tense. You have learned about past tense, how the how the one word changes into other and other word changes into another, okay? You are learning basically, if in pele mazi you are learning this, okay? And in last class we start, because we have done pele mazi, so now we have started pele mudari. Remember, pele mudari is basically, this is past, this talk about past, and this talk about present and present and future. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have Alhamdulillah done about Pele.
So now
Now
we're
you,
doing the future one.
yeah, present and future together. Okay. In English we do present separately and future separately. Like they have separate division. If you will say I will go, I am going. They have two different sentences, right? If they will say
Yep.
I am going, so you will understand they are talking about today. And if you will say I am I will go, that means they are talking about tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
But in Arabic, they use only one sentence for tomorrow and today. Okay? And Fele Mazi basically talks you about yesterday. Does it
Okay.
make sense now? Okay?
Yeah. Filmati
When you
talks
want to
about
say
like
I
before.
was going, basically that is Fele Mazi. Okay?
Okay.
I was going yesterday. I was going yesterday. So that is Fele Madi. When you talk about yesterday, that is Fele Madi. When you talk about today and tomorrow, that is present and future, and it's combinedly called Fele Madi. Clear?
Yep.
Okay. So inshallah, just take a quick screenshot of this one, and this is called tenses. Okay, tenses is fail means fail is a tense. Okay, past tense or future or present tense. Okay, fail is a tense. Tense are of two types in Arabic. One, when we talk about yesterday, that is called fail mazi. When we talk about present and future, like when we talk about today and tomorrow, that is called fail mazi. Make sense?
Yep.
Okay, clear, very clear. Okay,
Clear.
now as we are starting Fele Mudare, remember I told you there is four letters by which we understand that is Fele Mudare. Alif, Ta, Ya, and Noon. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's suppose I have a word. Okay? First I'm taking the past tense, all three formula of past tense. Fa'ala, fa'ala, and what is the third one?
Fa'alo.
Fa'alu. Now
Fa'alo.
I want to change these sentences into today or tomorrow. Okay? Lu. Fa'alu. Okay? Now I want to change the sentence into Fele Mudare. Mudare means either talking about present or future. Okay? So they are basically talking about uh, present and future. So there are few rules changing it. Okay? So what they normally do, they they add this ya in the start. Or I pick another color so it will be okay. They add this ya here. Okay. So what will be the change? Fa Ain Lam will be same. The only change is they will add one ya here, and because of this ya, the last letter will be having now Dhamma. Rather than Fatha, it will be having Dhamma. So what will be the Mudari form of Fa'ala? What is the Mudari form of Fa'ala? Yaf?
Fa'a fa'al
No, no,
fa'alu.
Yaf. Sorry,
Oh,
sorry, sorry. Fa with second. Ya, Fa, Ain, Lam. Okay, so what is the Mudari form of Fa'ala? Yaf, Alu.
yafalu. Okay.
Okay, now the word is Fa'ala. But when you will see this fa'ala in this form, okay, let me remove this. Okay. So when you will see fa'ala in this form, so your brain should start working. They are talking about which category? Yesterday, present or tomorrow, like today or tomorrow. What?
Um,
You know
tomorrow.
it. Hmm?
Would it be tomorrow, like the future?
No, how it will be tomorrow. Like what you have learned. Fere Mazi is about. This is Fere Mazi Gardan, right? Fere Mazi
Yeah.
talks about
Past.
past, and past means
like before,
Yesterday.
like yesterday or before.
Yeah, okay. The thing that has gone, okay, that is past. So basically, this is Fele Mazi. Fele Mazi means it's talking about past. What I am telling, let's suppose if you will see the word in Quran for Allah, okay, so it should come to your mind. They are talking about past. They are talking about yesterday, okay.
Yeah.
Or instead of fa'ala, if you see this change, instead of fa'ala, you see yaf'alu. So the brain should start working. They are talking about mudare. Okay, mudare. And mudare talks about present and
Present and future.
future. Okay, why it is important? Like the question, this question should come to your mind. Like why this is important? This is important because fa'ala means do. Okay, in English, sorry. Fa'ala means do. Okay, so if you will do the translation, what translation you will do? I will do, I did it, or I will do, or I'm doing. What you will like? What translation you will take here?
Um,
What is the meaning of fa'ala? Fa'ala means do. Okay. Now, if you want to make a sentence from fa'ala, so first of all, you know fa'ala talks about male or female?
uh, male.
Male. So he will come, right? He will come, right? You will start the sentence making, if you are making sentence, you will start with he. Okay.
Okay.
First, first understand this why you are learning these changes. You are learning these changes because when you are learning the translation in Quran, it is very important when you see a letter, how you will extract the meaning from that letter. You will change the meaning. You will write the meaning in past tense, or you will write the meaning in present or future tense. If you know fa'ala is a past tense, fa'ala is fele mazi, and fa'ala is the first category, so which is absent male, then you will only able to extract the meaning that he did.
He didn't. He
Of
did.
course, he did, right?
Yeah.
But if you see the word yaf'alu, what meaning you will extract? You know the category will be same. That is the base. Okay, the finger. Keep that hand picture in your mind. This is one. So this was fa'ala was one, category number one. This is category number two. So we will learn category number two. Then we will learn category number three, and same way 14 categories. Okay.
Yeah.
So if the word yaf'alu will be in front of you in Quran, then what meaning you will extract? He, yaf'alu is the first category, absent guy, right? Absent male. So it will automatically come to your mind. The answer will be he. But because fa'ala was mazi, so you use the word did. Yaf'alu is mudare, present. Yaf'alu is present and future. So what word you will use here?
So for future, he said he did.
No, date cannot come in future.
Oh wait, no, he's doing.
He is doing. It could be like he is doing
Yeah.
also, because you can make both sentences either present or future according to the paragraph, according to the
So he is doing is like the present, and the
and
future is he's going to do.
he is going to do or he will do. Okay.
He's going to do, yeah, or he will do.
Yeah, he will do or he is going to do. Very good. Do you now, the concept is clear in your mind? Why it is important to understand that this is past and this is present and future, because this you will do wrong if you will not understand this concept. Okay, because if you will memorize the translation, after a few days you will forget. Like it's confusing. I have to use did, I have to use, or I am using is here, or I have to use will here. What I will use? I will use he, or I will use she. It will be always confusing. But once you learn the basic qaida, basic rule, basic formula, then it will always like easy for you. Understand the concept why we are learning this? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you do this second one.
Okay,
Do the
so
translation of fa'ala.
fa'ala is like
First of all, tell me fa'ala is the thinking on your finger. Like fa'ala is second category,
okay,
male
wait,
or
let me
female?
male.
Male. So you will write he or she.
He.
If it's male, he, right?
Yeah. Wait,
And
if it's
then
more than one, wouldn't it be like they?
no, we will use
Uh
they here. Okay.
uh
We will write he, two person, two male, whatever you can
okay,
do.
so
Okay. He
like
two,
he two-person dead.
yeah, he two male, or
Yeah, he two male
he
dead.
two male did. Okay. Or you can do like this, he two male did, just to make it very clear in your mind that
Yeah.
on the background there are two males, not one. Okay.
And the next would be they did, which is more than female in bracket.
They did, and those they are present or absent?
Absent.
Absent. Okay.
Because it already happened.
Very good. Okay. Okay. This concept clear now?
Yeah.
Why we learned this and why we learned all these 14, and how it give a sense about the male and female, how it give a sense about the work has already been done before, or someone is doing it in the future. Okay. So this one word is giving all the sense. Okay. That's why it is important to learn, and that's what this is the formula. Okay. Now understand this. This is fa'ala. Okay. Fa'ala. I am changing this fa'ala into mudari. Okay. Fa'ala. So what you will change in the start, you will add in the start to make it mudari. It is like math, step by step you can do it. You just add this, because we have to put from these four, these these are the basically symbol of mudare. Whenever you see this alif, ta, ya, or noon in the start, you will figure out this is not past tense, this is mudare. Okay. In past tense you will never see alif in the start, ta in the start, ya in the start, noon in the start. Okay.
Okay.
Only
Yeah.
in Mudare you see alif in the start, ta in the start, ya in the start, or noon in the start. Okay. So in second category we use ya in the start, and we add a noon after lam alif. And we put this sakin here and fatha here and noon with kasra here. Okay. Yaf alani. If you will see any letter in Quran which is giving this sound la ni, ani, okay, this is basically talking about dual, like talking about two. Clear?
Alright. Yep.
Okay.
Clear.
What you did, that was fa'ala. You just add ya in the start and noon in the end, and you make it yaf'alani. Fa'ala yaf'alani. Okay. Now, what will be the translation of yaf'alani? Yaf'alani is male or female?
Male.
Male.
First three is always male.
Very good. And what will be the translation?
It would be the same thing, but it's like two male. So
He
he
is
two male is doing, or he
two
two
male
male
is
will
doing.
do.
Alhamdulillah. Now you got all the concept very clearly. Okay.
And then the fourth one would just be
Okay.
like
Okay.
they're doing or they will do.
He will do. He will be doing. Yeah. And that will be two male. Okay. Two male. Okay. Okay. Now turn. Sorry, not three. Not four. It's three. Okay. Now yaf alfa alu. Okay. Fa ain lam wow. Fa a lu. Okay. Now your what you will add in the start?
Yeah.
Ya in the start and noon in the end. And you see this word so many times in Quran. Yaf'aluna. Remember how
Yeah.
many times you read this word? Yaf'aluna. So now you will understand basically this ya will give you the story that this is not past tense because in past tense ya never come in the start. If ya is attached here, that means they are talking about mudari. Okay, and this wow noon. Remember when we were doing the transition, most of the time I say wow noon is for plural, wow noon is for plural, wow noon is for plural. Remember?
Yeah.
Now tell me, like what transition you will do?
It
Because
would
this is
be
number three. So if you will count on the finger, it will give you the sense that this is male, absent,
it would be more than females absent. So it would be
more than
they.
three people. Yeah. So
It would be they are doing or they will
they
do.
are doing. Very good. They are doing, or and if you can change in both, right? Present and future. Okay.
Yeah.
So they are doing and they will be
They will do.
they will do. Okay. Does it make sense now? How the past tense and how the present tense in Arabic, give the story and
Yeah.
how we change it. Okay. Okay. So take a quick screenshot and add this over there, and then inshallah I'll tell you about the like we will do six only today. So inshallah you will not get confused. Okay. So first take the screenshot of this one.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I'll take a screenshot.
Okay. So inshallah after you add this and um, okay. So let me erase this one. And now we are talking about the 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So I'm writing here Pele Mazi. Okay. I'm writing here about sorry, Pele Mazi. And over here we will change into sorry, Pele Mudare. Okay. So the third one is basically absent but female. Okay. So one female, two female, and more than three female. Okay. So what was the word in Fele Mazi? Fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alat. Right? Fa'alat. Remember? Fa'alat. But Kamil, memorize all 14 on tips, okay? Otherwise, it will be hard. Like if you don't know the formula, it will be hard for you to convert, right? It will be hard for you to do. Fa'alat. Then the next one is fa'alata
Fa'alata.
and
And then fa'alatu.
no,
Oh,
fa'al,
fa'alta. Fa'alna.
fa'alna, fa'alna. Memorize this. Otherwise, it will be hard for you to change it because this you are using to change into mudare. If you will not memorize this formulas, then it will be hard for you to change it. Okay. So now we are changing it. Okay. Now the first one, what letter we add in the start? Quickly check and tell me
Say that again.
what letter we add in the start to make it mudare.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. But if I'll again add ya, then it will not, like it will be hard to differentiate between male and female. So this time, because there are four words, remember I told you there are four words. Sometime we use aleph, uh, um, okay. Sometime we use aleph, sometime we use ya, sorry, ta, okay, atain, okay, atain. Atain are the symbols, okay? So in first we were using this, okay? But in these three categories, they are not using this. They are, sorry, yeah, we were using yeah, right? We were using this, right? In the
Yeah.
first three categories. Now we will use this in the next three categories, okay? So what will be the next word? Yafalu, yafalani, yafaluna. Then the next one is tafalu. Instead of ya, we use tafalu. It's same thing. Okay, the first one. Okay, okay. I think we should 1 minute. There. Okay. So I'm writing this, so it will not, like, you will not confuse. Like first one was yaf alu. Okay. Second one was yaf lani, and you are learning sir. They are telling you all the changes in the end. Okay. Yaf alani. Yaf alani. What was the third one? Yaf a wow noon in the end. Okay. Wow noon. They always tell you the story that this is plural. Okay. Yaf
Okay.
aluna. Okay. Now you
Okay.
are making the fourth one, which is fa'ala. Okay. And instead of ya, because if I make ya here, it will, this one and this one will be same. Okay. So first three categories are male, absent. And now the next three categories for female. So in female, we use ta. Okay. Ta is a symbol of female. Okay. Taf alu. Clear?
Clear.
Same thing, but instead of ya, what we will use? Ta. Tav,
Ta.
a, la,
So be just
tav.
tafalan
Very
ni
good. Tav, a, la,
ni,
ni.
and then
And the sixth one is,
faluna.
because remember in past the third category was fa'alna. Remember?
Yeah.
Fa'alna. So over here the sixth category is yafalna. Okay? Not with ta. Yafalna, because you can remember like this. In male yafaluna will be written, but in female yafalna will be written. Okay? Yafalna. Okay? Clear?
Okay. Yup.
The only thing you need to keep in mind, the first three are ya, then next two are ta, but the ta is for female, but female plural again comes with ya, because the end part is little different. Okay? End part is different. It's na, fa'alna. Okay? So end part is different. It's not coming with wow noon, so it's different words. So they again bring the ya back. Okay? For here and here, they want to make a change from these two, so they bring ta over here, but the sixth one is with ya. Now read it one time on your fingers. Yaf'alu, yaf'alani, yaf'aluna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, yaf'alna. Say it and count on your fingers.
Okay. Yaf'alu,
Hmm.
yaf'alani,
Hmm.
yaf'aluna, taf
Hmm.
taf'alu, taf'alani, ta why is it
Yaf,
ya? Oh, yaf'aluna.
yaf'alna. Like I'm writing it over here.
Oh,
That,
yaf'alna.
yes.
Okay.
Ya, fa, ain, lam, and nun. Okay.
Okay.
Yaf, al, na. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yaf'alna. And now, can you translate this to me? The last three. Sorry. The last three.
Okay. Okay. So she. So for so 4, 5, and 6, right?
Yeah, 4, 5, and 6.
Okay. So she will do it.
She first present and then future. Okay.
Okay.
It's
First
up to
present.
you. Like you can make
She's
any,
going.
but
Okay. 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 Present. She's going to do it,
uh-huh.
and then past. She will do it.
Yeah, because this time you are learning present and future is in the Mudare is the combination of present and future. But when you will be reading the hadith, when you will be reading the Quran, then according to the text you will figure out the whole story is in present. Then all present word will you will use. If the whole story is in future, then it will be all the details will be in future. Okay, so at that time you will decide. But basically, you will at this point you will do both transition to make it very clear that both can come. Okay.
Okay.
So she is doing. Do it. She
Oh,
is
okay.
doing.
Okay. So the second one now, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. It's gonna be the same thing, but it's gonna be two people. In ways. Put
Yeah,
that. You
yeah,
can put
yeah,
that
yeah.
in
No,
brackets.
first finish this one. She. What will be the second transition? She.
Oh, so future would be she will do it.
Very good. She will do.
It's the same thing for the second one, but you can just put in brackets two
Very good.
rooms.
She. Two female doing. Okay.
Yeah.
And over here, she.
And then
Two female
we'll do it.
will do. Very good. Okay. And for Yap Allah, I'm writing here for Yap Allah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so for the last one, it will be they w- they will do it, and
They will do it.
then
And
you can just write in brackets that it's like
they
females.
will do it. They are more than three females. Okay. More
Yeah,
than three females. Okay. Or the
or
sentence should
they
be
are doing it.
they are doing more than three females. Very good. Look, past tense was little difficult to understand because the basic you have to learn in that. But Mudare, you are just fitting everything and the basic concept is same. Okay, male, female, Wahid, Jama, Tasniya, the first category, second category, everything is same. This is called Fele. This heading is called Fele Mudare Maru. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, one more thing. Hmm, if you want to add no, then it's very simple. If you want to add in this sentence no, so we can do this one. So inshallah we can save time. Like in next class we will complete our 14. So if you want to make no in Mazi, what you add to make no? What do you add to make no sentence? Tell me.
Yeah or da.
नहीं 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 नहीं
Oh, wait
ए-
for the regular one.
If you are changing the maruf sentence into no sentence, then what you add? What?
Ma.
Ma,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
You add ma to make it no. In mudare, you add la to make it. Okay? So what will be the sentence? La, same thing. La
And then yafalu.
yafal. Yeah. Okay? If you want to change this sentence into no, like nafi sentence, nafi maruf, if you want to change this one into nafi maruf, what you will do? Yafalani. So, how you will change yafalani into nafi maruf? What you will add in
La
the
and
start?
then meme.
Only la. La means no. La.
Oh,
In Mazi you add ma, right?
yeah.
And in Mudare you add la. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So la yafalani.
Okay.
Okay. Third one, do it quick, quick, quick. Okay. La yafalani. Then third one, la.
And and then la yafaluna.
Very good. La yafaluna. Fourth one,
Um la tafalu.
very good. La tafalu.
Then la tafalani.
La tafalani.
Then la yafalna.
La tafalani. And la tafalani. Clear? Because your basic concept in Mazi is very, very clear. So if you are not taking time to understand this concept, okay? Alhamdulillah. La yafalna. Now clear? When we want
Yep.
to make no sentences, like when we want to change fele mazi maruf into fele mazi nafi maruf, then we only add la in the start. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. And when we like this is maruf, we are not doing majhul. First we will complete our maruf and then we will go on majhul, like mudare majhul. But now alhamdulillah you have done how to change fele madi maruf into fele mazi nafi maruf. Okay. So one thing you also learn here, like keep in mind that mazi sentence la never come. Okay. We add ma in the start to make it. And in today and tomorrow, if we are converting the sentence into present and future, then we add, like in mudare sentences, we add la in the start. Okay, when you in Quran you will see la and ya or ta in the start. It will give you sense they are talking about today and tomorrow. So the translation will be like making translation will be very, very easy for you. When we will switch back to the translation again, you will see the difference. Like, oh, you will say, oh, it's how easy. Like this translation is now very easy to understand. Otherwise, you always get confused. Either this is like they're talking about im or at or like I am, I was, I will. What they are doing. Like you will memorize it, but now if the concept will be clear, then you will doing it by yourself. Okay. Okay. So this is clear.
Yep.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So inshallah, take a screenshot and add that one as well. Because what is happening? One time I'm teaching you, next time if you are not adding, like it's all you all forget, okay?
Yeah.
So it's all gone. So right away add it. So inshallah, once you will just have a
Got it.
look and it will be very, very clear in your mind, oh, I have done this one. So we don't need to review again and again the things, okay?
Okay.
Okay, inshallah. So after completing the mudare, like we have done six and we will complete 14. And then inshallah, when we will done the mudare and mudare majul, then inshallah right away we will start our transition. Then we will keep going on the the grammar part slowly and slowly because there are more gardans. But if you understand past very good and mudare very good, then translation will be very easy in Quran for you. Okay. No. Okay, inshallah. So we will keep it till here. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi.
Bye, love.